I am a professional organizer, and I'm sitting down this afternoon with a cup of tea to answer a frequently asked question. I'm doing a whole series of these videos answering questions that people ask me all the time. And so today I am going to be answering a really common question. Do I have to get rid of stuff in order to get organized? There's a lot of fear around the idea of needing to get rid of stuff, and it can be very anxiety inducing for people. So that's probably why they ask this question. They don't want to, let go of something and have regrets. So the simple answer is yes. However, how I go about it is going to not feel as anxiety producing as you might imagine. So I see it as my responsibility to ask the question. I'm responsible for helping you get organized. That's why you hired me. And in order to do that, I need to know everything you have in the space, how you use it, what you use it for, what you use it with, how often you use it, when you use it. All of those things help me create an organizing system that will help you quickly and easily access your stuff and do what you got to do. And so if there's something that you don't use or you don't like or is broken, or you have a better one, then there's kind of no point in keeping it around, right? Because all it's going to do is take up space and get in the way of the other stuff that you really actually need. So for me, helping people get organized always starts with analyzing the stuff in the space to make sure that everything that is there should be there. So I don't go at it with, oh my God, we have to get rid of all this stuff. That's not productive. Instead, I go at it with the perspective of let's make sure that everything here is necessary. And so rather than saying you're going to have to get rid of stuff, I say I'm going to ask you the question. And most clients actually end up getting rid of a lot more stuff than they thought they would. So I have clients say all the time, they're like, well, I just went through and did a clean out. I don't think there's anything I'm going to get rid of, but sure, you can ask the question, no problem. And they will end up getting rid of garbage bags worth of stuff because it turns out sometimes people aren't as thorough as they need to be when they're editing their stuff. I call it the edit. So I actually go through and sort things into categories and ask the question about each and every object in the space. So you really get a granular idea of what you have. So yeah, most people don't want to get rid of stuff. And when they go through the process, they end up getting rid of a lot more than they thought they would, and they feel good about it. I like to say that there is only one time that a client ever regretted getting rid of something, and it was months later, and they were able to replace it relatively inexpensively. So that's a pretty good track record in 7 years. So again, I always put the client first. If what you want is an organized space where you love and use your things, then we're probably going to have to get rid of some stuff. So the answer is yes, you are going to have to get rid of stuff, but it will be as painless as I can possibly make it. So that is my answer to the question, do you have to get rid of stuff to get organized? So if you like the video, give me a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more. There will be more videos coming, and share with a friend if you thought it was interesting. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you later. Have a great day.